Hi everyone, my name is Richard and in this tutorial I'm going to show how we can turn on cameras and microphones for any attendee inside your seminar rooms. Okay, let's start here. As you can see, there's Matt. The first way you're going to do this is just click on his avatar. And now you can see above a microphone and a camera icon. Which means if you want to turn on the camera, you just click here on the camera. If you want to turn on the microphone, just click here on the microphone. The second way of doing this is using the chat box. As you can see here, there's a small camera icon, and once we click here, you're going to see two options. The first one is to allow all the microphones, which means they will be able to turn on from their ends. However, if you want to turn on directly any one of your attendees individually, you can just click here on this icon for the microphone or here on this icon for the camera. In summary, there are three ways of turning on the microphones. The first one by clicking on the avatar and clicking on the camera or the microphone. The second one when you click here on this icon, and then you're going to be able to click on the microphone or the camera. The third way that you can use is to use all mic, which is pretty much clicking here, and then once it's yellow, you are allowing everyone, and people might be able just to click here on this left microphone icon in order to speak. They can even change the microphone by mousing over here. And in addition, if you have a large audience, you can use the chat commands, which means you can start typing here @ and once we click on @ you're going to see a list of everyone who's attending your webinar or your session. And here is Matt. Once we click here to turn on his microphone, it is going to get yellow. The same thing will happen with the camera. And the good thing about this is that you can filter. Let's say you have a lot of people here attending your webinar and you cannot find the avatar. Just type here, start typing here the name of the person, and you're just going to filter the name that you're typing. It's important to mention that by turning on the microphones directly means that your attendee will get a direct request for turning on his or her microphone. He doesn't need to click here on the microphone, which is very useful, especially if you want to engage with your audience. Try to use this resource here because you're going to be able to get their attention and just ask any specific questions that you think it's suitable for your webinar, your classroom, your session, and then you say, okay Matt, I want you to answer this question, and then right away you just click on this microphone and Matt will be able to answer right away. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and we see you in the next one.